Today we'll be showing you how to create the perfect glam makeup look for Eid with our Namshi partner Rawan Al Sadi. First up, prep the skin with moisturiser and add a touch of lip balm to hydrate your lips. Apply your primer with a clean foundation brush to guarantee an even coverage. Use a flat brush to sweep liquid foundation across the face, gradually blending into the skin. Buff to perfection with Sigma's Concealer Blend Kabuki brush. Add a little extra coverage on top where you feel you need it. Take your concealer and use a more refined brush to apply under the eye. Dab with a sponge until it's buffed out. Apply the same method to your T-zone, nose and chin. Make sure your hard work doesn't budge by baking with a translucent powder. Leave for a minute, then brush off the excess with a large powder brush. Give a little pout to enhance your cheekbones, then, using small circular motions and sweeps, add bronzer underneath. Using your setting powder again, sweep under the contoured line with a sponge, from hairline towards the lips. Leave for a minute, then buff in. Gently brush highlighter along the cheekbone, brow bone, nose and Cupid's bow for a subtle sheen. Using short upward strokes, run brow gel through the brows. For extra definition, fill in further with a pencil. Start sweeping a rose base across the eyelid, gradually building up in the eye socket and outer edges in a V motion. Add a lighter, shimmery shade in the middle of your eyelid, blending into the inner corner. Use your finger to dab a light coating of glitter across the lid, then into the tear ducts to open up the eyes. Finish off with the same shadow along the bottom lash line. Use a dark pencil eyeliner on the waterline of your eye and on the top lash line to frame the eyes. Try using a zigzag motion with your mascara to help create volume and separate the lashes. Once your mascara has dried, gently place on false eyelashes once the glue becomes tacky. Use a clean lip brush to push them into place and fluff them out. Draw along the edges of the lip with a liner to create fullness. Fill in with a slightly lighter shade of lipstick. Using a brush will help to avoid any excess product buildup. Spritz a finishing spray 15 centimeters away from the face to keep your look lasting all day or night. And there you have it! A glam makeup look ideal for Eid occasions.